Hey guys, happy October, Inktober, Plantober, Beachtober, Painttober, Sketchtober, any art challenge you're joining this October. My name is Karen, also known as Cars. Welcome or welcome back to my channel and where I share my art journey as a self-taught digital artist and my thoughts and feelings about art skill development, artists, and the art community. Right now, and mostly what I upload are art process videos, and hopefully get consistent in adding voiceover audios in art process videos like these. I didn't upload a video last week as I was having problems with my Photoshop app, so I impulsively bought Clip Studio Paint. Although I was eyeing Clip Studio Paint before and waiting for the sale, when it came recently at the same time, having a problem of my PSD file, which I can open, and sudden changes in the app that I don't know why, but I can open multiple images in the app, and sometimes problems with brushes. So that's why I take the opportunity the Clip Studio Paint on sale. That was really just like I said, that was unexpected buying of new software, and I still like Photoshop because of the user interface, the access to tools and workspace compared to Clip Studio Paint. However, I bought Clip Studio Paint, so I have to use it because if not, it will just be a waste of money. So far, I have noticed the difference in using Clip Studio Paint, and it was good. It was really good, especially the sketching. Like I see the difference when I draw in Photoshop and CSP. By the way, this is not a sponsored video or promotion of the Clip Studio. Still, I'm sharing my experience and just a bit of experience, and you don't have to buy if you have drawing apps that don't have any interruptions or problems using the app you're using. You don't have any experience of any interruptions or problems while using what you use for drawing, like the software you're using for. However, I still need to get used to Clip Studio Paint fully, and there are things in Photoshop that I have to learn how to find, understand, and use in Clip Studio Paint. Adjusting to the new workspace or app and how to use some of the tools was new to me, and a bit of stress because I'm so used to using the Adobe Photoshop. Some of the things I'm figuring out are the brush properties, like adjusting the pen pressure, transfer, shape dynamics, and some settings of the brush, and also I want to learn the perspective ruler because I also want to use that in my future artworks. So far, this is what I can think of. The Clip Studio Paint feature, a canvas screen recording tool, creates this time-lapse video that you're seeing now. I made two portraits as a skin tone study, which is unexpected content video to give you some updates for this week video, because in my last video I said I will make 3/4 tutorial, but I haven't made it because of the app drawing problem, like the Photoshop problem. Soon I will make a lighting tutorial. However, I'm learning how to use this app right now. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Other than that, I'm also doing my personal art challenge this month, and that art challenge was making 5 ink sketches every week. Actually, late, and some of the sketches I haven't done, so I need to catch up. However, drawing every day is good. Personally, I need breaks because I also want to have a rest day of not drawing. And this personal challenge, I think I could do in my messy organization of tasks in my daily life. I'm also thinking of opening an art commission next month, but I have to learn how to do this as I was reading or consuming posts about it, like the pros and cons, and learning some artist experience about it. So I wanted to prepare this kind of art, what you call it, like art business, like an art income stream, and hopefully I will be able to finish this like before the end of the month or this week, hopefully. So I think that's it for now, and I honestly don't have anything I can think of. I'm really focusing more on doing the ink sketching challenge because I'm also planning, because the goal was also to not just upload something on my social media accounts, like in artworks, but also to improve my skills. So yeah, that's it. If you have content videos or content ideas you want me to make, type it in on the comment section below. What digital drawing apps are you using, and any tips in using Clip Studio Paint for beginners to it, and share it by typing in the comment section below. Your input is valuable and I can't wait to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching. Click like to this video, subscribe to my channel, and your support means the world to me. And always remember to paint and draw. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.